Suet is the raw, hard fat of beef or mutton found around the loins and kidneys. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for deep frying and pastry production. Although it is also used as an ingredient in cooking, especially in traditional puddings, such as British Christmas pudding. The primary use of suet is to be rendered to make tallow. Rendering involves melting and an extended period of simmering, followed by straining, cooling, and usually repeating this entire process. Rendering the suet into tallow means that it can be stored for long periods of time without refrigeration. Suet is found in several traditional British dishes, most commonly sweet puddings and savoury dumplings. Suet is also an ingredient of traditional mincemeat, also known as fruit mince. Due to its high energy content, suet is added to food rations to increase the fat content and help meet high energy requirements. Suet can be bought in its natural form. It must be kept refrigerated prior to use and used within a few days of purchase, just like meat. Pre-packaged suet, sold in supermarkets, is dehydrated and mixed with flour to make it stable at room temperature. Suet-based bird feeders are commonly used in the form of cakes of suet, which can be made with other solid fats such as lard. Rolled oats, birdseed, cornmeal, raisins, and unsalted nuts are often incorporated into the suet cakes. Consumption of suet is forbidden according to the Jewish religion, as it was reserved for ritual altar sacrifices. This restriction only applies to those animals which were used for sacrifices, and thus does not include wild animals such as deer.